everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Emma and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to create some beautiful waves in my hair, perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm always curling my hair and I always love to try new products out. So today I'm going to try out this hair curler from Revamp. It's called the Progloss Hollywood Curl Automatic Hair Curler, which sounds scary but it's really not. It's so easy to use and I'm going to show you how easy it is. So it looks like this and it is super easy to use. It really creates really pretty curls. So I really like to curl my hair away from my face, like either side, and with this it's just so easy to do that. You don't have to kind of think which way you're going or like use your arms that much because it does all the work for you. It has like buttons on the front here so it can go left and right depending on which way you want your curls to go, and you basically just put a bit of hair through this little slot here and you press a button and it twists your hair around inside here, but don't worry, your hair doesn't get stuck. I know that's what probably a few of you might be a bit worried about, but if your hair like suddenly gets a little bit tangled, then it just shuts off the power completely and it just literally lets go of your hair, so it literally just comes out. There's no worries about your hair getting trapped in here, so that's really good. And also one thing that I absolutely love about this is because it's got this around the hot barrel, you're less likely to burn yourself, because I am forever burning myself on hair curlers and hair curling wands and things like that, but because you're not actually touching this hot section inside, you're not going to burn yourself. So that's really good, because it's horrible when you accidentally touch the barrel or you accidentally touch your face with it. It's so horrible. So that's one amazing thing that I really do love about this. You can also change the heat settings, so it goes from 150 degrees up to 210 degrees. So depending on how tight you want the curls, if you want them really tightly curled, I'd go for the hottest. And if you want like a loose beachy wave, then maybe go for a lower heat setting. But yeah, I'm going to just try this on a few sections of my hair just to show you how you do it, because I know some of you might think it looks quite confusing, but I will show you just how easy it is. So you just switch it on with the button here, just hold it down and it flashes on the temperature, so you can move it up. So I think I'm going to do the hottest because I like quite a tight curl. So you press right or left depending on which direction you want it to go, and if I press that you can see that something inside is like twirling around, and it actually just twists your hair around the barrel itself. So I would get a smallish section, about that much. My hair is quite long, so I have to keep pressing the button until all of my hair is in it. But if you have shorter hair, then maybe just pressing the button once would get all of the hair in it. So basically you get a section like that. I hold this so your finger is on the buttons like that, and that is facing that way, and then towards the root I slot a bit of hair in like that. Don't hold it too tight, and then press the button, and you can keep pressing it until all of your hair is inside there. Just leave it for up to 10 seconds. I wouldn't do it any longer than that because you don't want to damage your hair. Yeah, I can feel it's quite warm, and then I would literally just gently pull it out like that, and as you can see, it's really made a really pretty curl. Just gonna carry on doing a few sections to show you how it works, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. I like to just press the button every now and then just to make sure that all the hair is staying in the right place. Just because my hair is so long, I have to really make sure that the ends are getting curled as well. And then literally just falls out. That's so pretty, I love it. It's so easy as well, and like if I do all my hair like that, it's just gonna look so nice. One thing that I've learned about this brand, that they like to put Progloss oils in their products so it really does smooth your hair so much, and it really doesn't damage your hair like other products do. So that's really nice. Like, that bit of hair now feels so smooth. So I'm just going to go and finish curling all of my hair. It might take me a little while because I have so much hair, but you'll see how I do it. You can see that something inside is like twirling around, and it actually just twists your hair around the barrel itself. So it really does create like even curls, and it really gets the ends in as well. Because often when I'm using like a curling barrel thing, because I don't want to touch the barrel, I'm often like leaving the ends out, and it like is curled and then straight at the ends, but you don't get that with this because all the hair is in there. So as you can see, look how nice those curls are. I am so impressed with this. My hair never ever looks like this if I've just used a normal like straighteners or anything like that. You just don't get that perfect curl. So pretty, look at that curl. It's just like the most perfect little curls ever. So for this side of my hair, because I wanted it all to go that side, I pressed the right button so it goes this way, and then for this side of my hair I want it to go the opposite direction, so I'm going to press the left button. So it's quite easy to use, you get the hang of it really quickly. So yeah, I'm just going to do this side of my hair now.
I'm in this until the end, so just be real and don't pretend, cause I can love someone who's gonna go away. Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. Bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me.
But this is what my hair has turned out like. I am so impressed with this. I just love the curls it's made. It's really like Hollywood glam, but then you can make it look kind of beachy as well, which I love. But I've just popped on a little bit of red lippy because it's Valentine's Day coming up. But yeah, I'll definitely put the link to this down below for you so you can try it out for yourself if you want to. But yeah, I absolutely love what it's done to my hair. It feels so silky and so smooth. I can't stop putting my fingers through my hair. But yeah, I just absolutely love the kind of curls that it's made, especially around the front. But yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you all again in the next one. Bye guys! Mwah.